Tired of feeling overwhelmed? Let's face it, life can get pretty hectic. Between work, family, and social commitments, it's easy to feel stressed and overwhelmed. But what if there was a way to simplify your life and reduce stress? Enter minimalism. Minimalism isn't about deprivation or giving up the things you love. It's about focusing on what truly matters and letting go of the rest. By simplifying your life, you can reduce stress, increase productivity, and find more joy and fulfillment. In this video, we'll explore 10 simple habits that can transform your life. Let's dive in. 1. Declutter regularly. Ever felt lost in a sea of stuff? It's time to declutter. A clutter-free space can lead to a clutter-free mind, making your environment more serene and manageable. Start by going through your belongings and getting rid of anything you don't need or use. Dedicate a specific day or time each week to declutter. It could be as simple as 15 minutes a day or a few hours on the weekend. Consistency is key to ensuring your space remains tidy. 2. Digital detox. Our phones and computers can be major sources of stress. Take regular breaks from screens, unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, and organize your digital files. A clutter-free digital space leads to a clutter-free mind. 3. Mindful spending. Before you buy something, ask yourself if you really need it. Think about the long-term value of the purchase and whether it aligns with your goals. Mindful spending isn't just about tracking your money, it's about spending with intention. Think about what truly matters to you and make sure your spending reflects that. Instead of impulse buys, ask yourself, do I really need this? Or will this bring me lasting joy? 4. Practice gratitude. You know how sometimes you're so caught up in your own stuff that you forget to notice all the awesome things around you. Practicing gratitude is like putting on a special kind of filter. It helps you see all the good stuff that's happening. It could be anything from a delicious meal to a friend's kind words, or even just the sunshine streaming through your window. Even when things are feeling blah, try to find something to be thankful for. It might sound cheesy, but it really can make a difference. Trust me, giving thanks for the good stuff, big or small, can make you feel happier and more connected to the world. 5. Simplify your wardrobe. So you've got a closet overflowing with clothes but nothing to wear, right? I've been there. That's why simplifying your wardrobe is a game changer. It's not about sacrificing style, it's about getting rid of the clutter and creating a collection of clothes you actually love and wear. Imagine a closet where every piece sparks joy and you can easily mix and match to create tons of outfits. It's less stressful, more sustainable, and you'll actually enjoy getting dressed in the morning. Plus, you'll save money because you'll stop impulse buying things you don't need. So take a deep breath, roll up your sleeves, and simplify your wardrobe. 6. Cook simple meals. Okay, let's talk about simplifying your cooking. You know how it is? You get home from work exhausted and the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. That's where simple meals come in. It's not about sacrificing flavor, it's about finding quick and easy recipes that are packed with deliciousness. Think sheet pan dinners, one-pot wonders, or big salads. You can still have amazing meals without spending all your free time slaving over the stove. Plus, cooking simple meals can actually be fun. It's a chance to get creative in the kitchen and experiment with new flavors. So ditch the complicated recipes and embrace the joy of simple cooking. 7. Prioritize experiences over possessions. So let's talk about what truly makes us happy. Is it that new pair of shoes, that fancy gadget, or that designer bag? Maybe for a minute, but studies actually show that experiences bring us longer lasting joy. Think about it. You remember that amazing trip you took way better than that time you bought that must-have jacket that's now collecting dust in your closet. Experiences like traveling, concerts, or trying new restaurants create memories and stories that enrich our lives in a way material things just can't. So next time you're thinking about making a big purchase, ask yourself, will this bring me lasting joy or will it just be another thing to accumulate? You might be surprised at how much happier you are when you invest in experiences instead of stuff. 8. Learn to say no. You know that feeling when you're spread too thin, saying yes to everything and feeling completely overwhelmed? It's time to learn to say no. It's not being selfish, it's about setting boundaries and prioritizing your own well-being. Saying no can be tough, but it's a superpower. It allows you to focus on what truly matters to you. whether it's spending time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, or simply taking a break to recharge. So the next time someone asks you to do something you don't have the time or energy for, don't be afraid to politely decline. You'll be surprised at how much saying no can improve your life. 9. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment. Really paying attention to what's happening right now, instead of getting caught up in thoughts about the past or worrying about the future. It's like hitting the pause button on your busy mind and just noticing things. The feeling of the sun on your skin, the taste of your food, or even just the sound of your breath. It doesn't have to be complicated. It could be as simple as taking a few deep breaths or going for a walk and really focusing on the sights and sounds around you. Practicing mindfulness can help you reduce stress, feel more connected to yourself and the world, and even improve your focus. So give it a try. You might be surprised at how much calmer and happier it makes you feel. 10. Embrace imperfection. We all strive for perfection, but let's be real, it's a pretty unrealistic goal. We all make mistakes, we all have flaws, and that's okay. Embracing imperfection is about accepting that we're not perfect, and that's totally fine. It's about being kind to ourselves when we fall short, learning from our mistakes, and focusing on growth instead of dwelling on our shortcomings. It's about celebrating our uniqueness and recognizing that our imperfections are what make us human. So let go of the pressure to be perfect and embrace your wonderful imperfect self. You'll be happier and more relaxed in the long run, trust me. So there you have it, 10 simple habits that can make a big difference in simplifying your life. Remember, it's not about doing everything all at once. Start small, pick 1 or 2 habits that resonate with you, and see how they go. You might be surprised at how much these small changes can improve your overall well-being. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. The goal is to create a life that feels less chaotic and more enjoyable, so have fun with it.